Hello, this is John with Think Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over what happens if you have a new employee and you add them to the system and they can't clock in. Let's say you added John Smith and you gave them a login of 1. They put 1 and can't log in. Now the first question I would ask is, did you publish changes? But let's assume that you did publish changes. Here's the next common reason why this might happen to you. Now let's go to the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us. Go to the menu icon here at the top left. Go to location setup, and then go to staff. And if you notice here, John Smith is actually a different color than the other two employees in here. And if you notice here, the active status says no. We're going to click on John Doe or John Smith. And we're going to scroll down, and you want to make sure there's a checkbox here in the active spot. I don't know why. I wish Heartland would automatically check this when you're adding new employees, but unfortunately they don't. So you do have to remember to hit this active checkbox every time you add a new employee. But this is a pretty common thing, so if it happened to you, don't sweat it. I get that call all the time. So we're going to hit save. Make sure you get your save successful here. Don't forget to publish changes. That should fix the issue though. That's all I have for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.